writing and speaking more fluently. Most managers, like most people, find speaking in public and writing well difficult. Obey simple rules and your performance on paper will pass any normal tests, while you also have the potential to be an effective public speaker for any audience. Writing text. Taking notes. Space your note in short paragraphs and concentrate on picking out the main points, facts, and phrases. Try an easy speed writing system which can double your speed by eliminating vowels and using symbols for common words. Dictating prose. Writing takes considerable time. Only experts can write good prose at 20 words a minute or more, speaking at 160 words per minute. WPM is comfortable for you and the listener, so it flows that dictation is the faster form of writing. You will not reach 160 WPM, of course, but you can easily double or triple your current speed. You will need somebody to take the dictation or transcribe the tape, however, and will also have to find time for revision and rewriting. Computer programs can take dictation too, but they are not yet perfect. Dictating text. You'll be able to dictate faster if you plan the document beforehand and have all notes and reference material ready. Allocate the time required and keep on to the end before revising your material. Speaking clearly. Nearly everybody speaks perfectly well in ordinary life. There are extraordinary orators, but you're not competing in the league. In your everyday conversation, you make your meaning clear, have an easy flow, and cover all the necessary ground without being long-winded. That is all that is required in speaking for you professional purposes. Imagine that you are speaking to a group of friends who, like you, are deeply interested in what you have to say and whom you do not have to impress with wordiness. Being natural. If you are familiar with your notes, you'll appear more natural and will be better able to establish a good rapport with the audience. Overcoming nerves. Even professional broadcasters who look thoroughly at ease on camera admit to nervousness before a programmer starts. Even prize-winning authors doubt the quality of the latest writing. Such nervousness reflects a desirable stimulus, setting the adrenaline flowing as you gird yourself for the fight. If you suffer very seriously from nerves, relieve them by using relaxation techniques, going for a short walk, or going over your material. Above all, remember that your audiences and associates generally want you to succeed. They are rarely hostile. They want to be pleased as much as you want to please them. Reducing last-minute nerves. Try this breathing exercise to calm your thoughts and dispel tension. Close your eyes. Place one hand on your upper chest, the other on your diaphragm. Breathe in, feeling your diaphragm rise, then breathe out slowly. Structuring your talk. Any talk consists of 3 Ms. Massage, material, and manner. What do you want to communicate? Have one overarching big message you will leave with the audience. Follow the basic sequence of telling the audience what you are going to say, the big message, saying it, and finally repeating what you have said. Within the overall message, write down the key points, as few as possible, in bullet form, and allow about 3 minutes per point. What will you use to support the message? Write down against each key points the slides, statistics, other facts and stories that you will use. The ideal length is between 20 and 40 minutes. Above that, audiences tend to lose concentration. Presenting your talk. How will the message and material be presented? You have a wide choice of styles. Roaming the stage or room, delivering from a fixed point, using notes, reading a script which is rarely advisable, a formal or informal participative lecturing, and so on. Suit the choice to your own personality and preference, but above all to the audience. Learn as much as you can about what each particular audience expects and likes. Maintain eye contact so that you can judge the impact of your talk and adjust if necessary. Use audio-visual aids if at all possible. Videos, slides, and overheads make the massage much more effective and memorable than words alone can achieve. Presenting effectively. Make use of visuals wherever possible, since they're powerful aids, but remember to maintain that all-important eye contact by looking at the audience rather than the screen. Try to inject some humor into the presentation as a means of winning over your audience, and always end on a strong, emphatic note. Cultural differences. Americans are fond of moving around while speaking and of trying to become part of the audience. The British are much more likely to use a lectern and to rely quite heavily on audio-visual material. The Japanese can surprise the European or American audiences by giving extremely witty and informal presentations. The Germans, too, can speak humorously, although the humor may be more apparent to German audiences than to other nationalities. The French may be very fluent, even in English.